Hey Facebook, I'm going to sing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars a cappella. Sorry for any background noises, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, rain, rain. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Oh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, the little darling, watch me change their minds. Yeah, for you I'll try to pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that would make things right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes would do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, rain, rain. Don't just say goodbye. Don't just say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that will make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes would do the same if you walk away. Every day it will rain, rain, rain. Alright, so that was it. Not, ha, I got you. I'm going to sing a little bit of songs that I like. So yeah. Let's see. See, you had a lot of crooks try to steal your heart. Never really had luck, could never figure out how to love. Yeah, yeah, how to love. See, when you was just young and your looks were so precious, now you're grown up so far, it's like a blessing, but you can't even have a man look at you for 5 seconds without you being insecure. You never credit yourself, so when you got older, it seems like you came back 10 times over. Now you're sitting here in the same corner, looking through all your thoughts and looking over your shoulder. See, you had a lot of crooks trying to steal your heart. Never really had luck, couldn't never figure out how to love. Yeah, yeah, how to love. I can do Halo. Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down, and they ain't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I've got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can feel your halo. You pray it won't fade away. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can see your halo. You pray it won't fade away. And one more. I see you traveling around town with the boy I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, so I'm like, forget you and forget her too. Said if I was richer, still be with you, yeah. Ain't that some ain't that some Although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best with a forget you. Now I'm done. Hope you guys liked it. Mwah! Bye!